We have here today a classic car Jaguar E-Type leather seat. We have the full interior to do, but what we're going to do today is to show you exactly how to clean and care for your classic car leather interior. You need three items. You need the Brukel brush, you need the terry towels, and LRC1 leather cleaner. This one's been in storage and is covered in a lot of dirt and dust and grime. It's also quite shiny, and what we're going to do today is to actually give you a full demonstration of how to care for your classic car leather interior correctly, giving it a really good deep clean, bringing it back to life again. Once that's all done, we will be following this up with a further video of how to restore your classic car interior. But for today, that is exactly what we're going to do, is to show you how to clean your leather interior correctly on your classic car.